How to see who you blocked on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device, then click on Profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you're in your profile, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Here, click on Settings at the top right. After you're in Settings, click on Privacy in here. In Privacy, scroll down, you'll find Blocked Accounts at the bottom. Click on it, and you will be able to see people you have blocked in here. You can simply scroll through it if you have a list. You can also click on Unblock and unblock them from here. This is how to see who you blocked on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.